A crane is 3 times heavier than a truck. The crane is 1,180 kilograms than a tractor. How heavy is the weight of the truck if the total weight of the vehicles is 8,900 kilograms? This is an interesting question. Let's draw some blocks to solve the problem. As the crane is 3 times heavier than the truck, let the truck be represented by 3 units and the crane be represented by 1 unit. The weight of the tractor, on the other hand, is unknown. But we know that the weight of the tractor is lesser than the crane. The total weight of the 3 vehicles is 8,900 kilograms. The question says that the crane is 1,180 kilograms heavier than the tractor. So, the arrow here represents 1,180 kilograms. Now, let's add 1,180 kilograms to the tractor so that it has the same weight as the crane. By doing so, the new total weight of the 3 vehicles will be 8,900 kilograms plus 1,180 kilograms, and this will give us 10,080 kilograms. The number of units representing the 3 vehicles will be 3 units for the crane. One unit for the truck. And 3 units for the tractor. The total units are 7. Since 7 units is 10,080 kilograms, 1 unit is therefore 1,440 kilograms. And this is the final weight of the truck.